Alright guys, in this video I'll show you very interesting trading strategy. Basically we are using this strategy for intraday, or sometimes we are holding our position 2 to 3 days. Alright, so here I am using two indicators only. One is moving average, that is exponential moving average, and another is CCI. So let me show you here. First, here you can see this one 30 exponential moving average, this red line, and another this one 10 exponential moving average, EMA. Both are EMA, remember, EMA, and this one also EMA. So we can apply this strategy. Personally I am using this strategy. And another this one CCI, commodity channel index. So CCI period 7, CCI its period is 7. Alright, so basically we are using two level, that is okay, plus 100 means this is the positive, and another minus 100. So this we need only two level, positive plus 100 and minus 100, that is the negative. Now this moving average is just showing us the trend. Alright, if 10 moving average above 30 moving average means trend is up. When here you can see 10 moving average cross 30 means trend is down. It's very clear. When 10 moving average above 30 exponential moving average means trend is up. When trend is up, we are looking for buy. Is it clear? Alright, when 10 moving average, which is white here you can see white color moving average, so this is a 10. When 10 moving average below 30 moving average means trend is down. So when trend is down, we are looking for short only. Now question is that where we will enter in this market. So it's just showing, as it's confirming by CCI. Alright, CCI. Alright, so let me show you an example, then you will understand very clearly. Now here you can see in this area 10 moving average cross 30, now trend is up, and we are looking for a retracement. Retracement here also, here you can see it's also a retracement, here also retracement, somewhere here also retracement. So we need a retracement, means CCI should be below minus 100. So this is the minus 100 level, it's a minus 100. Alright, this is, and another here you can see it's a positive 100. Sorry, alright. Now in this area here you can see it's below 100. So after that we are looking for a bullish candle. So where is the bullish candle? I can see here. This is the bullish candle. Am I right? So we will place buy order a little more above that candle. So here you can see next day it's a hit our buy order and goes up. So later next here you can see in this area it goes below somewhere there. Sorry. Okay, somewhere there, and we place our buy order, it's triggered somewhere there and price goes up. Alright, it is a buy signal. So later here I can see now in this area we have seen trend is down. Alright, so right now we are not looking for short, we need a retracement. It's a retracement as confirming by CCI. Alright, now you can see CCI is still below this positive 100. So we need like that area. Alright, let's jump to here. Okay, now you can see here. Alright, let me show you here. Yeah, now it's over both zone. Now we need a pullback. So let's jump to here. Okay, we need a pullback. Just a minute. Okay, now here you can see they are forming a bullish candle in this area, but CCI are pointing to our downside. So we need a, what we need? We need a bearish candle. Now let's see. Now they are forming a bearish candle. Have you seen? They are forming a red candle, bearish candle. So what we'll do? We'll place our sell order little more below this red candle. Alright. So let me show you. Yeah. Sell order we are placing. So next here you can see next sell order they are forming. Price not able to hit our sell order. Next they form a sell order. Let me show you. Now here you can see they triggered our sell order. Have you seen? Next candle, this candle triggered our sell order. Now let me show you. All the way price drop. Alright. Now you can see here. So here you can see in this area it hit our sell order somewhere there. Where? In this area it hit our sell order. Now you can see all the way price drop from this area. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, have you seen? Alright, who people miss that opportunity, so they can enter here also. Price retrace, goes up to overbought because trend is right now down, and we place our sell order below this area. Already they triggered and all the way price drop from this area. Now you can see another. Have you seen? They are forming a bearish candle and it's overbought, and just pointing toward the downside. We place our sell order below this candle. Now let's check it. Yeah, now you can see all the way price drop. We place our SL just below that candle, and 1:2, 1:3 here you can see. Let's see another example here. Now another example, this one with Pro, and always use 15-minute chart or it's above. So I prefer to use 15-minute chart. Now in this area we have seen 10 moving average cross 30 exponential moving average, means the trend is up. Now this is not our entry point. Remember, we need a pullback, means CCI should be below -100. Alright, -100. Now where is the minus 100? So in this area. Have you seen? In this area. Now I can see this candle. I think this candle will be here. Alright, this candle exactly. Yeah. So here I can see price broke. Here I can see this level. They are pointing toward upside, and they form a bullish candle. We place our buy order somewhere. SL will be below. You just do the money management and hit our target. All the way price goes up. And the next another here you can see who people miss the opportunity. They form a bullish candle. We place buy order, but they are not able to trigger our buy order. But finally price goes up. Now you can see in this area, that is our buy order. Why we are looking for buy? Because trend is up. 10 moving average above 30 moving average. Alright. So later here I can see they are confirming, but it's not exactly. They already crossed. This is not a good buy opportunity. So really I missed that opportunity. Alright. So let's see. Okay. Now I can see here. So next candle here I can see this candle. They are pointing here. Oversold zone. And now they form a doji pattern, bullish candle. We'll place buy order a little more above, and then now next candle here you can see price goes up and hit our target. So 1:2. All right. Okay. Let's see another example somewhere, another stock. All right. This one Adani Port. Now let me show you here. In this area we have seen that is a crossover. So this is not our sell opportunity. Now we need a pullback. So where is the pullback? Here, overbought zone, but here it's not a very big candle, just opening candle. Just leave it. Next here you can see retracement, overbought, place sell order somewhere there. It's a triggered somewhere there, and price drop from this area. Next here you can see overbought zone, and form a bearish candle somewhere there. We place below here. Triggered our sell order somewhere there, price drop from this area. And let's see here. Right now here I can see this is crossover, so no trading opportunity. So we need a pullback like here. All right, price should CCI should be below somewhere there. Let's see here what's going to be happen. Okay, yeah. Now I can see CCI just below -100. And we need a bullish candle. Next candle, at least we need a bullish candle here. They are forming a bullish candle. So we'll place buy order above this bullish candle, and our SL will be below that candle. Let's see. So yeah, it's so tomorrow if price goes up, hit our buy order, so definitely we'll book our profit. Next, let's see another one. Okay, let's see Infosys. Infosys. All right, let's jump. Yeah, now here you can see somewhere there crossover. Leave it. Yeah, now you can see this one crossover. Okay, that is our no trading opportunity. So we need a pullback. So somewhere there, here, this candle, and we'll place buy order. It's a triggered our target. SL will be somewhere there. It's temporarily correction, or they are running in a downside, but it's not a trading opportunity. Again, they cross somewhere there. Is a clear uptrend. Now we are looking for buy somewhere here. I can see price are over sold zone. We'll place here. You can see this one bullish candle. We'll place buy order a little more above. Next candle hit our buy, all the way price goes up. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And tomorrow I'm going to show you another trading strategy here. This one very interesting. Personally, we are using this strategy, option or whatever. So thanks for watching.